Oh, man. Today. Hello, all one audience and rewatchers, watchers of who would watch this later. Check it out. Been eating marshmallow candy all day. Went for a crazy-ass bike ride. Got a lot of coding done this morning on some other projects, and gonna dive back into some stuff this evening. So, don't really have a lot of intro for this one, so to speak. But we do have bits of things to just kind of get right back into, right? Yesterday I was hacking around with this. This is the trucks interface, just some services, trying to figure out why this particular query is not returning politely like it should. So I just realized my browser crashed on my one machine. That's always kind of annoying when the browser crashes. Let's get the pieces running again. And let's get some tunes going here. Gonna do some pretzel rocks again. One of these days I'm gonna write those songs. I got some tunes that I'm gonna share. Not this weekend. Unfortunately, gotta help somebody move, some other stuff. But as soon as I get back from we're going to Velocity Conference, which is paired with the Software Architecture Conference in San Jose, California. Riding the train down like I do. And then after that, coming back up to Seattle, and then I don't have any trips for a while, so I'm really going to get back on board some regular Twitch streams, get some coding done. I got the Twits app, the Twit app. It's a Twitter app that I built a while back. The episodes are on the YouTube. You can check it out if you're interested. And you just go on YouTube, type in Thrashing code, and then you can check out my playlist, and there's a Twits app that you can check that out. I just built the initial app, and I've cleaned it up a lot since, and I need to kind of do a revamp of that via the Twitch stream so everybody can check that out. Then the other thing that I'm going to get back on board with here is we really got to get the trucks stuff kind of working better. Actually working, I should say, because there's very minimal amount of working parts to it so far. But I'm going to do the data modeling for that, and then going to get services put together. Tomorrow, Christina and I on the DataStax Devs channel are going to actually be working on that together. So we'll get a little bit of that done. Probably dive into actually try to figure out how to get the containers to work in the client-side app. That's what I would like to aim for tomorrow. So we'll see how that goes. I don't know. It might not get that done, but we'll try for it. And then today, what I want to get into is, like I was saying a minute ago, this needs a couple of things. I need to figure out what it's crapping out on. It looks like it's going in there, but there's some type issues. Like it's not finding the right type to map to the other type. So what the dealio? What is up with that? Let's take a look. We'll go ahead and run and just get back to where we were yesterday. So I got a breakpoint on found truck. And then I have a breakpoint. Hey, Digital Drummer. It goes pretty well. Been having a pretty kick-ass day. Just had some pho for lunch. Brother's in town, so we went for a ride about in the evening. And after knocking out some code this morning, he was showing me some of the stuff he's been working on too. And just back at trying to get this mapping to work here, where it does this map scan over the iterated item, and then I'm trying to get it to the type or whatever issue that I was having yesterday. So let's see here. Is it running currently? Do I have it running? Oh, we're looking at it here, I guess. So keep running. Oh, weird. So there we are on found truck. So is found truck a thing? That is the question. So I'm trying to populate. Wait, truck? Oh, there's found is true. That is correct. It did find an item. The item is in there. There's the ID that I pulled out of the request to get it. Now I have this iteratable object that's come back, and it's handed me this item. So I have phone details, and we can see the type here. String for phone. Details is a map string string, and all that jazz. So here's map string string. That should be, all of them should be correct. But like when I run it, wait, did it just do a thing? Did it do the thing? It did not do the thing. So I got to truck. Come on, let me see truck. Yeah, it's still null, even though, oh, so found truck is what? Yeah, so if I say that equals that, that should work, right? But wait, why am I even saying? Let's see, this instantiates and maps the object to found truck. And then truck is, where am I even? Oh, truck. Why do I even need that? It seems like I should just be able to use found truck. I don't even need to reassign it to truck. But anyway, that should work, so I should be able to get to here. So let's give that a go. So if I run down to here, oh my God, whatever I did yesterday must have fixed it. I'm not getting an error. I am getting the display. So yeah, let's do that refactor real quick. Let's take this out. Wait, oh, so this is var truck, model truck. So that's the found append trucks. Oh, this is where I'm building trucks. Oh, that's the wrong thing. Looking at the wrong thing. Whoops. So this is what I need to be looking at, this bit. So here is truck. And then I don't need to do this. I just need to do found. What is that fussing about? Oh, because it's not used. But I'm going to use it down here. What? Oh, because of scope. Damn it, that's what it is. That's why I need that variable. All right, so let's stop that. Let's run it. And then send the request. Truck name. What do we got? Mammy Tran. Yeah, so that's our Vietnamese food truck that we were expecting to get. So then we run that sucker. What? Hey, no error, but that's a 13-second time on the response. That's pretty brutal. Print. Oh, that is not going to help much. Let's actually write it out. And did I do session close? I didn't. I need to do the session close too here. Yeah, there. So let's get this in here. Yeah, truck. Let's marshal that back. Header. Status okay. Setting the close for the session. So it'll close the connection there. Then let's run that sucker. Boom. Beautiful. That is what we were expecting yesterday. So basically, we fixed the issue that this wasn't mapping right, and that these things were mapping to the same exact thing across all of them, which was a problem. So okay, so that works now. We now have the trucks handler and the trucks details handler working. Now, let's see here. In both situations, I have this where I map this value here. And I'm wondering, like, oh, so here I assign it, I create the object and map it in from the from the scan, the map scan. I'm wondering if I can do, I guess I could do that on this. But the question is, here I do iterator.mapScan. Here I do iterator scan, and then this is, each of these values then maps into this object, which I then add to this thing, and then I return the whole list of them. So yeah, if I go over here, and then we run the get all the trucks thing, there we go. We got both of them back. So it maps it and returns this. 57 milliseconds. Mammy truck is 63 milliseconds. I guess not bad for now. But where do we want to get here? Oh, and for those listening, I'm curious. Can you hear a background noise? Because in the background currently, I do have the air conditioner running because it's hot today. And oh, that's, damn it. And I'm just curious. I'm just curious if you can hear that crap. Yeah, it's a full-on air conditioner, not just a fan. So, well, I'm glad it's not too loud then. Because I see the bar, it goes down to like negative 55 dB or something like that. So it's pretty low, but I don't know. I never really can tell from the monitor that I have set up. So it's a little weird. All right. The background noise is going to be made of a song here in a second. There we go. Yeah. And that should be able to be heard. Cool. All right. So what is the next thing that we need to do here? That is now the question. Yeah, cool. Okay. That's good to know because it's getting to be summertime, and yeah, I'm going to have the air conditioner on because it's freaking hot. All right, so go back over here, and then let's go and I'm gonna pull up the, oh, this is that stuff. Let's take a gander at our actual project. Oh God, okay. Signing in real quick. So give me just a second here, and I'm gonna sign in. All right, there we go. All signed in. All right, so we're in the... Oh, wait, not that. No, go back. Oh, I know what we should actually do. We should actually get a build service running. So we'll do it on the back end. And then we'll try to get... Tomorrow with Christina, I will try to get the front end bit working so that we can work on that together, show everybody how to wire that sucker up. The back end's gonna be a little different because it's Go. The front end's mostly Node.js, JavaScript stuff, but it has like Webpack, so it has various steps it has to go through. But this jazz here is just this bit. Let me go look at my fork here. And where are we at? No pull requests. No project bits. Yeah, I didn't think so. So let's actually get the sucker committed. Terminal, get status. Let's actually, you know what? I'm gonna use the shortcut key, Control-Alt-A, and this editor gets everything pulled in. So now it's part of the commit. And let's see, what is the VCS tool to get, and then what does it do? Oh, push. Yeah. Oh, it used to just say like the other old thing for CBS used to be the word. Drove me nuts. But all right, everything's ready to go pretty much. I just changed for handler routes and CQL. That's a good message, so I'm gonna do push. All right, looks like we're all good. Oh, what? Commit. Oh, I didn't do the commit. Okay. Latest on handlers and routes. Push. When in doubt, just go back to the command line. I tell you, GUIs. Bar. Okay, that's in ours now. So now, let's see here, new pull request. Let's check out our changes, because holy moly, I should have added that path ages ago. That's funny. Whatever I did. Okay, so took out that and then added that and that. The handlers now have GoCQL reference. Oh, I did the truck ID. I actually parse it into a UUID now, so it's the appropriate type of what it actually is for that. GoCQL.parseUUID is the equivalent UUID generator that Cassandra CQL uses. So it maps pretty much on just perfectly between the types, but it also lets you generate the UUID if you don't want to have the database generate the UUID, which is very helpful if you need to be able to push a change to the database without asking for the ID back. So like if you have things that are in tertiary, or like with a relational database, that would be foreign key items. If you have foreign key items that you need to relate back to that thing, you can take that and do like a batch of changes all at once with the ID that you created on the client side. Comes in very handy. So, and here's my session. I added that, and then of course all this stuff for the mapping. And here I did it with the map scan iterable method here. Sorry, function. Then I parse it out and marshal it to a JSON object. Then let's see here, down here, added the parse UUID also for that. Then this, added long lat, etc., etc. Added this stuff for the creation of, for the migration. Put that in. I need to separate the data from the schema migration, but I'm going to do that a little later when I get the schema migrator for Apache Cassandra built that I'm doing in C#. I'm going to use it and build that into the project, but that's for future use. For now, just going to keep everything manually created in the CQL documents. Then some spaces and crap there, which that's kind of weird. I guess I tried to space it appropriately, but it just looks flaky. And then routes, I cleaned those up so it says, what is this? Oh yeah, truck location versus location, because that's kind of weird. I don't know. Probably we'll have to remap those to some extent, do a bit more work around them. All right, so that looks good. I'm going to send that PR in. So here, added truck, whoops, single truck retrieval and list of truck retrieval functions. Oops. I mean, I can't add myself. I thought I could add myself. What the heck? Oh, weird. Okay, whatever. Oh, I guess it's pointless to add myself as a reviewer since I made the commit. Yeah, sometimes I don't think that's stuff true. Alright, do I have a thing here? Enhancement. Good first issue. Yeah, whatever. Give it a label. Okay. I'm going to create pull request. And let's get in there and... Where do you even add labels in here? Initial labels. Let's look at labels. Yeah. New label. We'll do core functionality work. Code for core functionality of services layer. There we go. How do I? Oh, nifty. So you just hit it until you get a color. Thanks, GitHub. That's pretty easy. Nope. Maybe. That's good enough. Alright, so pull request. Now I'm going to add core functionality. Take that off. There we go. Okay, so that's all ready for review tomorrow. In the meantime, let's see here. What should I use for build services? It's Node.js Go. I did just start using Azure DevOps, but I don't really feel like using that for everything. Open source build services. Maybe I should just use Travis for this one. That might work. Even though they just got bought by whatever the heck. Build and distribute packages from sources in an automatic, consistent, and reproducible way. Open build service. Team. I'm not sure I understand what this is. Yeah, I think I know Victor. Maybe I don't. Do I actually know anybody here? Oops. Service support. Oh, they have IRC channel. I just want to know what it is. Is it what I think it is? Let's check this out. All right, we're gonna. Where's the volume on this thing? What the hell? Why is there no volume on the freaking... I kind of hear it. It's just not loud.
Public, so everybody
can you hear it?
An account and use this OBS to build packages.
I have my volume now cranked, and I can't hear it.
A teachers-like game for the Linux console, and want to provide packages for your users so they can easily install your game. The OBS can help you with that. Once you've logged in, navigate to your home project, which is your own little space on this OBS where you can work on your Citrus packages.
I can't hear shit.
First, let's tell people what this project is about in the description.
Oh, maybe if I...
It is my project, and it contains Citrus packages and maybe more in the future. Then let's create a package. The name of the package is of course Citrus. Add some nice title.
I don't know. I don't know what's up. What the hell? Okay. What the blah, blah, blah. This is driving me nuts. It's always something. Always something. Oh, maybe on the machine there's volume here. That's cranked. Okay, well, we're going to pop off of that for a second and go... Let's see, getting the screen here. Whatever I did stopped audio. Okay, well, y'all could hear it, but I couldn't hear it. That was weird. Let me pull up this thing. All right, here we go. We're going to see if this works. Where's that video? Oh, I put it in. It was in documentation, right? Yeah, there it is. Okay. Disable that and then disable this. Let's see here. Boom. Probably just killed the stream. Nope, it's still working. Okay. So then I'm going to try this thing. So let's see. I'm going to get it playing again.
For the Linux console, and want to provide packages for your users so they can easily install your game. The OBS can help you with that. Once you've logged in,
boom,
navigate to your home project, which is your own little space on this OBS where you can work on your Citrus packages. First, let's tell people what this project is about in the description. It is my project, and it contains Citrus packages and maybe more in the future. Then let's create a package. The name of
Oh, there's a little volume bar on it now too.
The name of the package is of course Citrus. Add some nice title and also some nice description. Of course the package doesn't have any files yet, so let's upload some files. Every package needs a description on how to build the sources it should build this package for. For this we define some so-called build targets. As you can see, there are a lot of distributions and distribution versions to choose from, but let's pretend that I know my users only
This
use
is probably
Citrus
not what
on
I want.
OpenSUSE 11.4 and Fedora 15. So I select those and simply add the selected repositories.
Probably should just use Travis CI. It's probably what I should do. What about CodeFresh? Does CodeFresh have it? Built for Kubernetes. Oh, that's spiffy. Oh, and you got an annoying ass one of these things. I hate that shit. Go away, robot bot. There we go. So what does this have? Cloning main repository, building documents, unit tests, test environment, da-da-da. Deploy to prod. So I don't really have... Oh, maybe I should actually do... Let's look at GCP. You want to look at GCP? I bet you we could get it working in GCP, and that would be pretty slick. Because we got to deploy it to one of those. We got to deploy it to GCP or Azure or AWS. It's going to go to one of those places. I wonder if this is still... I don't really have details about where they're at there anymore. It's kind of weird. So let's see here. All right. GCP build services. Cloud build, that's what it is. And then AWS code build, I think is the thing. Let's look at that and figure it out. See what we got here. All right, so... And... Oh, let me bring back Pretzel real quick. Cool. Okay. The question is what will this do for me? Yeah, but what does it build? That's what I want to know. James Flamestar. I like this tune. It's pretty badass. Whoops, my bad. Yeah, and my damn volume at different levels on everything is... it's not easy to actually manage. I'm going to get good at it one day, and I ain't going to mess it up all the time. Have you used any of these services, by the way? The AWS build or GCP or Azure build services? CS cluster behind a load balancer. So they got stuff like this, which is what I'm going to do, but what? No, let's just do this. All right, gonna sign in real quick. Actually, you know what? Screw this. I know that it works with this. So for now, we're gonna get build set up with Travis. I don't know why it still asks me for permission. Seems like every time I go back to Travis, it's like boom. What's this crap? Come on, sign in. Oh, I guess I need to refresh my stuff here. There we go. So actually, let's not turn that one on yet. We'll do that tomorrow. But here, let's hear it. Yeah, limit concurrent jobs, build push branches, build push pull request, auto cancel branch builds, auto cancel that. Environment variables don't have any environment variables yet. That looks good. All right, then let's get the build thing here. For master, we want markdown, and then we'll go ahead and put this in our repo. But also documentation for programming languages. Go. Yeah, okay. So where's a sample one? Ah, perfect. So first things first. So, oh, we don't want to do this here. It's going to flip. No, actually we're going to do it here. All right. Oops. Oh, what did I just do? There we go. Let's get the build tag in there. And then, let's see, we'll add that. Probably should have added a comment. Another James Flamestar song. That's cool. And now we're going to create a new file. And we're going to call it... Wait, what do we call it? I forget. Travis YAML or something? Yeah, .Travis YAML. There we go. Paste. And let's get the Go stuff in here. So we want to do language Go. What, did I not copy it? So your master, 1 out of 11. I don't care about 110. So you put in version and then you put in master? That seems a little weird, but adding Travis YAML for build. And we should be able to click here and it should bring us to, there we go. So a build should start sooner than later. Yeah, there we go, received. Worker information, build system. Oh, okay. So it's just waiting now to get a virtual machine or container or whatever the hell they run these things in these days. Updating gimme. I like that. There we go. All right, we're just gonna sit here, I guess, and listen to tunes. Oh, there's a deploy. Oh, there's go test. Probably want to add that at some point, but right now I don't know. Just gonna keep it there. Go get token. Oh, dependency management. Make file. Go dep support. There's support including for go dep when used with vendor dependencies such that the go path will be prefixed with blah blah blah. Okay. I want to note that using the older style go dep.json at the top level is not supported. Ah, okay, so that should work then. That should be okay, because I definitely am not deploying this to Windows. How we doing? Is that it? I just get this much? Oh, this aired out though. Well, my rock channel just turned into EDM bass drops. Yeah, I don't know how to get that to work. Cannot use ID as type blah. Oh, that's a bunch of shit. That's here. Go build services. Go build. Werner Vogels. What? All right, yeah. I think I am going to take a look at Azure or... Well, we're going to look at the AWS stuff first. All right, time for me to figure out how to log in, so bear with me just a minute. In the meantime, got to block the screen for just a second. Brah. Access denied. Almost got it. Oh, I think I got it. I think I got it. Oh no, hold on. Oh, still doing two-factor. Oh my god. Shit, everything, all this stuff. And wow, that just authenticated me to like a billion things. Oh, it didn't let me, it didn't work the first time. Okay, almost there. So I'm having to sign into like 15 different things to get into my AWS account. Oh my god, another thing to sign into. I'm almost there. Promise I'm almost there. I'll send myself another code. Bum 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 bum. Then, okay, I think I got it. Haha. So close. So close. Okay. Oh, I just found out I've been assigned like 10 different things here. Oh my god. Okay, here we are. We're back. Ha! Okay. Now, what was it? I wanted to find code build. Release software using continuous delivery, build and test code. Yeah, that's what I want first. Brutal. Are you shitting me? Oh, fine. Okay, bear with me. I'm logging in again. I promise it will only take a second. Haha. Okay. See, the way I fix this is... Oh, weird. How does it... Whatever. How does it know I did that? That was on another account. This is, as you can see... This is my account. So... Yeah, anyway. Code build. Oh, I haven't logged into the interface in 1,000 years. Sweet. Okay, let's do this. Build project. Stop showing me messages about that. All right, I'm just going to go through blind once. I don't know what I'm doing here. Let's do trucks build. Then we'll call it trucks application services build. Yes, please enable the build badge. I don't need any of that. What is this? Let's do GitHub. Oh, this is kind of nice. Let's do that and connect to GitHub. Sweet. I love it when this shit works. Don't need submodules. Oh, what is the... Yeah, this. There we go. So far this is looking shiny. Use an image created by AWS code build. Specify Docker image. Interesting. Yeah, we're definitely going to go with Ubuntu. What happens if I do this? Interesting. Yeah, let's just do a managed image. We'll go with Ubuntu. Whoops, standard. And we'll just say 2.0, I guess. Sure. Yeah, always use the latest. All Docker images or want the builds to get elevated privileges. Or, okay, we'll go with that. I don't really know. Service role in your account. Blah, blah, blah. Service role, additional configuration. Timeout. Oh, we don't even want that much. We want like 5 minutes. 0 hours. 0. There we go. Oh, queued timeout. Let's do 10. Do not install. Yeah, I don't want that. Yeah, we'll just go with default because really, like, why even mess with it? West 2. Let's go with A. Hello. Pick A. No? C? Default. Default sounds good. Oh, it's putting it down there. Connection because the provided subnet with ID blah 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 is public. Well, how do I give it a subnet if I'm in this interface? Ooh, I can pick 3. Can I do that and validate? Oh, can I do this? What? Oh, you can just do it without a VPC? That seems kind of weird, but let's go with it. Let's do that. Let's check that out. Build spec. I suspect that is what I'm going to need for the project. So in here, can I delete a file from this? Yeah, let's delete this file. Removing Travis build. Build spec. How build works? Build spec. File name and storage location. Build specs files must be expressed in YAML. Got that. That makes sense. So like this. Let's go look at examples. I like examples better. Let's even do this. Let's do build spec.yaml Golang. Oh, look at that. Kind of pretty. Version .1. Okay, version .2. Variables. Commands. Make dir. Go get whatever. Directory. Print all environment variables. Install golint. Interesting. Okay. Go build the app. Oh, that's weird. Provided by code build. Oh, that's pretty cool. Nice. So it does 1.x builds on the Ubuntu 18.04 standard image. Oh, do I even have this? No, let's open up a terminal and see if I got AWS on here. Of course not. Of course not. Why would I have something like that on here? Something useful that I need. Let's see here. Sudo snap. Actually, let's do sudo apt get install and AWS CLI. One of the things I'm kind of wondering about is where, the last time I installed AWS CLI, I did it for Terraform, because you had to have basically G Cloud, AWS CLI, Azure CLI. And I don't know how to put multi-account keys in place for this stuff. Whatever. We'll figure it out. Yeah, that's what I want to do. AWS help. Where is available services? Yeah, basically everything. So whatever. But how do I... said I want to do AWS. Well, actually, let's try this out. Code build, list curated, environment, images. So I need to do AWS configure. That was what I was looking for. Oh man, I don't know what that is. Okay, bear with me again. I'm gonna kick you into the login screen. No, go back. Shit, I just messed up. I clicked on something and messed up my whole build thing. All right, I'm going to show you this. So I'm adding a user right now. I'm just going to call it code builder. And then I'm going to, let's see here, do code builder. Now add users to group. Let's do that. User has no permissions. That is correct. Okay, so then resource groups, create a group. Oh, no, wait, that's not what I wanted. I want to go to IM. Like, this is just a good thing to know how to do here, which is why I'm showing it. So I'm in code build. Oh, here we go. IM. Then we need to go add a group. Groups. And then new group. Let's hear builders. Next step. We'll do code builder. Oh, I saw code build. There we go. So let's do developer or admin access, developer access. Let's do admin access. Next step, create group. And then we want to go back to users. And we want to go to, oh, it doesn't even show the one. Look at that super insecure test account. Isn't that great? So we'll say builder. Say programmatic, permissions, and then we should be able to get, builders. Add that. Next tags. I don't need any tags there. So we added them to the group. So that should work. So then there's my access key, which I won't show you the secret. We're going to bounce back into here. Okay, almost got it. All right, so we got that stuff going on. Now we just need to get back in here. I just hit next, so I have this build service now. Here's the repository. Here's the badge. Whoops, what the hell? What is this? Let's look at it, see what they gave us. Oh, okay, that's cool. A little confusing, but that's cool. Let's see if we can get that into replace this. So let's go into README. That seems to pull the image. So let's say build status. So this thing is the SVG. So this. And I don't know where the okay, trying to do a build. Sure, tail logs. Oh, that actually I don't care. Just whatever. So how do I show this? How's it public? That's the question. Source, repositories, get started, getting started, build, projects, build history, account metrics. Yeah, of course you failed, whatever. Does it show the logs? Oh, nope, still don't care. Phase. Oh, there we go, download source, YAML file error. No such file directory, right, oh yeah, let's put that in there. New file, so build spec.yaml, right? They just want to, yeah, build spec.yaml. And then we want to do, where's that sample I had up? Okay, let's do this one. But we're going to rip out some of that and make it simple. I want 2, because I used that 2 image. We'll do lint, and then we'll do, sure, code passes all lint tests. Sure, that sounds great. And then go test. I don't know what it's, I don't know. We'll leave that in there and it'll break or whatever it's going to do. Files, app. Let's do this. Trucks app, app spec. Don't know. Config, deploy. I don't know about all that. I guess keep all that stuff out too. Adding the code build spec YAML file. All right. So this is, I don't know, we'll just put https put my blog for now. Haha. And this can go away. And this one can go away. Adding build badge for AWS code build. That's not really what I wanted. What did I do? I put the... Let's see, that's just a straight link. And that's the image, right? Oh, maybe I need to put the... Yeah? Maybe? I don't know. Well, it does that. Shit. Whatever. Okay, we'll mess with that in a minute. Let's... Actually, no. Let's mess with it right now. I want to do this. And then I should be able to do this. No, this. And then this. I'm gonna... Oh, I think that... Let's see what I did wrong. Okay. Yeah, okay. That works. I don't know what I was doing wrong. Anyway. Did that. Now it should just break because I don't think that build file is good. But we'll give it a go and see what exactly it does. Alright, failed. That's kind of what we expected, though, right? Wrong direction. I guess it needs to go taller. Anyway. Alright. One runtime version. Okay. Kind of like that one even more. Oh, this is straight up the API. I don't really need that. Nope. Nope. Excuse me. That is one of the worst builds I've ever seen in my life. What the hell? Do something. Anyway, I'm sure it'll probably just break soon, like that. Okay, I guess it broke and we didn't see the log because it just broke. So that's what I want. Okay, anyway. Root just now, source version. Oh, didn't want that. Applications on database. Crystal Unified. What is this thing? Whoa, this is trippy. Let's do that, yeah. Nice. Java Spring. Django.NET Core. Alright. We're going to go with Go. Experimental Go. Service you choose here. Let's do code commit. We'll just do it all in AWS. So then create project. I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. Just get source project. Connecting directly to the project's get source repository. Let's do that. Yeah, let's use Cloud9. Recommended instances, small, micro, medium. We'll do micro. Oh, weird. So we're getting that. in the environment. That's pretty cool. Kind of trips me out. Like, what's going on here? Come on. Oh, this is super trippy. I feel like I could fall in love with this type of environment, though. What in the world? This is some gnarly stuff. Okay, so it's going to give me a main and a main test. Template YAML, template configuration JSON, build spec YAML, readme.md. So I'm curious how the hell much money this is going to cost. Are they like spinning up an instance for every single one of these things? I don't actually know. Whoa, what? What? Main function. Once the request process returns to the Amazon API Gateway response object to AWS Lambda. Man, I didn't say I wanted to build a Lambda project. What the hell? Whatever, that's cool. Oh, and then it had the test. What's the test look like? I want to see that. Request. The proxy request, expected response, blah, congratulations. Where is this shit deployed to? That's what I want to know. Let's do this. Let's get to SSH. Whoa. Okay, that's copied. Oh, but I haven't even put a key in. Where do I put the key in? SSH key, right? Let's do this. Liz, codes. Alright, so, and then I get clone. Code commit. Oh, okay, so code commit is that. Okay. Shit. Oh, we're gonna forget this for now. Sign out. Okay, forget doing a build. It is 5 o'clock Pacific. It is time for me to go get some grub. So on that note, let's see. We got 3 people watching. Can we go raid somebody? The real question is, who can we go raid? All 3 of us. Who out there is rolling? Is anybody rolling? That's the other question. C# Fritz.
Scyther, high floats.
And Grim. Let's go raid Grim. Yeah, that's who we'll raid. We'll raid Grim. All 3 of us. Haha. All right, on that note, cheerio. The raid is beginning. Enjoy.